it will be Sir Alex and ito, Jayep. Sir Jayep sa ESAS, si Sir Alex sa review. Okay? So what is why is it reintroduced? Yun nga, bukod sa pagkakaroon ng pagkakaroon kayo ng mastery ng math subjects, dito nyo rin ma-experience na what do you call that? Yung setup na nagre-review in preparation for your review. Review after a review, kumbaga. Review before a review. Kasi next year, hopefully kayo ay graduate na, pero kung hindi pa papala rin dahil sa thesis, sorry. Pero sana graduate na. Okay, so wag nyong i-treat na na hindi essential to kasi part of your curriculum to, part of your grades. Ginegradean to. So, therefore, we need some house rules. So, since the time na ating i-aalat is from 5:30 to 8:30, so as much as possible, ang alam ko naman, wala naman kayong klase o meron man online. You must be in the meet exactly 5:30. Excuse me po. Kasi I'm sick and tired of having those mga dahilan na sir, pinagsaing po ako. Sir, pinagluluto po ako. Sir, pinutusan po ako. The hell? Eh, di ba may klase kayo? So, I think your study must be prioritized. Unless, siyempre alam ng mga magulang yung schedule nyo. Unless kayo mismo volunteer. Huwag naman. Kasi alam niyo may klase. Tapos sasabihin niyo, inutusan kayo. I think that is quite unfair for you na alam nila na may klase kayo. And eventually, pinagsasaing kayo, pinaglalaba kayo, pinagluluto kayo. Diba? So, I hope this should be addressed. Wala ko sana maririnig na ganung dahilan kung bakit na late. Pinutusan, pinagsaing, maliban na lang kung galing sa OJT. So, acceptable. Okay, kasi, though hindi ko kayo hawak sa OJT, but still, of course, in respect to the other advisors, pagbibigyan ko yung mga nag-OJT. Actually, wala pa yata sa inyong tapos no? Bibigyan natin ng grace period na siguro mga 15 minutes. Kasi as much as I want to compress pa yung oras into 6, ako naman mako-compromise kasi late na ako makakatulog, diba? As much as possible, agahan natin matapos. Depende rin sa subject na i-discuss We will discuss today Algebra Part 1, then may Part 2, may Part 3 yan. Tapos after that, may quiz kayo sa face-to-face sa school. Ngayon, meron na tayong bagong standards kung ang pag-i-schedule ng face-to-face. So it's sasabihan lang kayo na may face-to-face kayo and wala nang request form. Kasi si NSTP, wala namang ginagawang ganun. So, pasok lang ng pasok ang mga first year. Kayong mga thunders talaga. Yung mga seniors rather, ay dapat, mas lenient sa inyo ang school. Kasi last year nyo to Parang nakikita ko yung sa magiging last year yung medyo boring. Boring yung school. So, may face-to-face na kasi hindi sad to say, kakarinig ko lang galing kay din, hindi daw yung foundation week is quite boring. Tatanggalin ng Mr. and Miss, tatanggalin ng Battle of the Bands. So ano na lang natin knowing 20th year to, Diba 28th year founding 20th founding anniversary ng PLB from 2002 up to 2022. And yet, wala tayong makikita bongacious na event. No? Even intramurals tinanggal. So parang nakakabohe. Highly anticipated ang intrams kasi inalaw na si NCAA, inalaw na yung may ibang mga schools, inalaw na YPLP, hindi. So ganun. Yun yung mga sentiments na naririnig natin sa mga. But who are we to oppose? The president spoke, and we have nothing but to follow the rules. Okay, so labag man sa kalooban natin, ka-graduate kayo na wala talaga. Doon nakapanood kayo ng intrams ng 2019-2020, hindi na mapapalo up yun sa SAD naman. Pero ang pinupush namin, at least, bago kayo gumraduate, magkaroon kayo ng work shirt. Ang sa pagkakalam ko, Google form na itsura ng Google shirt. And I think maganda yung design. Bago kayo gumraduate, sana, hindi naman mandatory siya. Nasa sa inyo pa rin, choice nyo kung gusto nyo bumili or not. But if I were you, on my last year, anong i-offer sa akin, na tingin ko naman, mapapakinabangan ko, grab it. Pero hindi naman ako kayo, di ba? Nasa sa inyo pa rin. Okay, so yun, then yung house rules nga, yung dapat pumasok, may grace period na 15 minutes. Kasi if you miss or if you fail to do so, then you will be marked absent. Meron tayong 18 weeks to meet. Bawas na kasi last week ay walang pasok, tama? Walang pasok last week because of the typhoon. So this is the second day. So I hope na lahat ay nandito, although wala pa yung iba. Kasi 34 kayo 33 lang to. 133 ako. So, dalawa pa kulang. You are allowed to have a couple of absences kasi you're allowed to according sa rules, 70% dapat ng inyong total attendance 18 weeks dapat napapasukan nyo. But if you fail to do so, wala tayong usapan, you will be dropped automatically. Okay? So malinaw yun ha. And kung may reason, dapat ang reason ay valid. Tapos pag magre-reason out ahead of time, hindi yung ora-orada. Yung tawag dito, nagkaklase na ako, yun, biglang bobombard nyo ako ng mga reasons bakit di makakapasok. Nag-overtime po sir sa OJT. Para matapos kagad. Yung ganun, overtime, hindi pa tayo inaalaw ng overtime, di ba? Pag mag-overtime kayo, wala dapat tatamaan sa subject. Okay lang. Pero pag mag-overtime kayo at may tatamaan na subject, pasensyahan. You will be marked absent. Okay? So, yun. And pagdating ng mga face-to-face, so di ba nasabi ko na sa ating GC, observe proper uniform. You have already OJT. So, meron kayong 2 sets. One is white, the other is gray. So, sabi ko, MW yung white, tapos, hindi. Tama? TTH yung gray. Tapos, wash day yung Friday. Or you can use your uniform. But for the meantime, meron kasing isang set lang ang nabili. So, isang set lang, pwede nyo i-alternate yung uniform nyo. Kasi alam ko may uniform kayo. School uniform kayo. Maliban lang sa mga babae na hindi nakapag-slacks. Pero I think merong nakabili ng slacks So you can use it. Okay? So for proper uniform. Kasi para distinction nyo rin yan na kayo ay 4th year. You have to be proud. You are 4th year. Ito, nag-OJT kami. Matatapos ang OJT namin. Nag-graduate kami. Hopefully, no? Okay, pero depende pa rin. Ulit ko, wala pang safe na dapat gandaan nyo yung thesis. Yun lang ang tip ko sa inyo, yung thesis. Kasi merong mga tendency na may mga chances na sa school kayo mag-defend. Lalo na kung pag ang mga inyong mga panelists ay nasa school lang. Okay? So, yun. And ano pa bang kailangang pag-usapan? So yun, ipasa nyo lang lahat ng quizzes natin na wala tayong midterm and final exam dito. Ay, may final exam tayo pero parang departmental siya, kumbaga parang mock board. So sabay kayo ng 4-1 na magte-take parang exit exam format, something like that. And of course, that would be graded. So dapat lahat o majority of your quizzes pag in-accumulate, hindi lahat. Basta pag in-accumulate natin yung mga scores, dapat 75% pasado. But if not, ulitin yung subject. Okay, so wag masyadong ma-pressure ha. Ano lang naman to, mat lang naman to eh. Okay? Now, ako, umano lang ako sa inyo. Humingi lang kayo ako ng konting pangunawa. Kasi, pagdating sa mga quizzes, of course, magpi-print out kami. Actually, I should, pag nag-start na yung mga essay ko, pag i-print out ko sila ng mga handouts. Yung handouts, okay, libre. Pero yung mga quiz, yung sa test papers, yun lang, hihiling ko sa inyo. Mangolekta na ng payment for the quiz. Okay lang ba yun? Hindi naman naabot ng 5 pages yun. Siguro maximum 3 pages lang. Tapos multiple choice pa, di ba? Bongga. So, may, feeling ko naman, may papasa niyo. Okay? So, wala naman nag-o-oppose. So, kung walang nag-o-oppose, okay, so, I assume na you agree with me. Okay? So, yun lang. Tatlong pointers natin sa ating home rules and regulations. If you meet those expectations, then wala tayong maging problema sa subject. But if na-maximize yung number of absences, kasi nga, yung 70% ng 18 ay 12.6, so 13. Pero sige, gawin na natin 12. Kapag naka-absent kayo ng 6, alam niyo na ha, okay? Pwede na kayong mag-drop sa subject. Okay? So, yun. Kasama sa attendance yung quiz ha. Pag hindi kayo umattend ng face-to-face na quiz, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo mag-quiz. Hindi pwede kayo mag-quiz sa online. Lugi naman yung mga nag-face-to-face. Di ba? Okay? So, yun lang. O any concerns na gusto nyong i-address, baka gusto nyong yan natin, consider. Pag tayo nagre-review na. We'll start today. Medyo madali lang naman yung topic, kaya kaya petiks lang. Mga lang, binomial, ganun. Like that. Okay. So, can we proceed? Let's start our review. So, sinong wala? 34, 33. Isa lang. Tingnan ko sino. Ay, kita ko na si Bridget. Wala. Kasi after ni Branding, dapat Bridget. Diba? So, meron tayo isang absent. Okay. So let's start our special topics dealing with algebra. Part 1. Okay, find the greatest common factor of 16, 24, and 36. So, i-solve natin. Nung high school, alam ko na ano nyo to, na-encounter nyo to, paano ba kumukuha ng greatest common factor? We say greatest common factor. Ito yung common factor na pinakamalaki. Tinagalog mo lang sir. Greatest common factor or GCF. So, among them, pag nakita nyo yun, yung pinakamalaking factor na yun, o value, yun. And how are you going to do that? So, ang conventional dyan, nagpa-prime factorize tayo. Do you know prime factorization? So, convert natin yung mga values natin into prime factors. For 16, that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right? For 24, it would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Diba? Okay, and then for 36, that would 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay? So now, pag common sa tatlo, i-treat as one factor. Okay? So 2. Common sa tatlo. Ano pa? Dapat ba common sa tatlo lang? Greatest common factor. So kung dapat common sa kanila lahat. Kasi if you'll notice, ito common lang dun sa dalawa. So therefore, all you need to do is kung ano yung mga commons, i-multiply lang. So our GCF would be tama? Okay? Greatest common factor is, isn't it? Next. Determine the greatest common factor of the expression. I-rewrite ko lang Negative 48 a cubed b to the fourth plus 36a squared b plus 84a squared b squared. So, ang gagawin nyo, i-prime factorize yung sa mga constants or numerical coefficient. Okay? So, pwedeng positive, pwedeng negative. Okay lang yun. So, for 48, i-treat na lang natin na puro positive lahat. Pero pag pinactorat mo siya, siyempre, may iiwan na negative. Tama? Tapos 36 and then 84. So, ano ba mga factors ng 48? So, that should be 8 times 6, no? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 16 times 3, 48. Tama? So, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. For 36. For 84, 12 times 7 yun eh. 12 times 7, so 2 times 2 times 3 is 12 times 7, 84. Right? Pakicheck kung tama. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 times 7, 84. So common, treat it as one factor. Common. Ayan. May common pa ba? Ayun. Common, no? Right? 3. So therefore, 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So ilabas na kagad natin yung 12. Sorry. Now, pagdating dun sa mga variables, kung ano yung pinakamababang power among them, pare-pareho lang naman sila, yung power lang nagkaiba. No? Tingnan nyo muna A. Pinakamababa ay A squared. So, yun yung ating common. Okay? And then for B, so ito ang pinakamababa. Okay? So, therefore, this is our greatest common factor. Right? Tama? Kung gusto nyo ilabas ano yung factor, so negative 48 divided by 12 is negative 4. Tapos, a squared, tama. A cubed divided by A squared, that would be A. And then B to the 4 divided by B is B cubed. Tapos, plus 36 divided by 12 is 3. And A squared divided by A squared, or A squared divided by A squared is 1. Then, B divided by B is 1. Okay, so 3 na lang pala natira dito. Tapos ito, plus, so 84 divided by 12 is 7. A squared divided by A squared is 1. And B squared divided by B is 1. Though ito yung sagot talaga. Pinactor out lang natin. Okay? Okay, naintindihan? Next. During a storm, it is recorded that the rain fell at a rate of X centimeters per minute. Fell at a rate of X centimeters per minute. How many hours would it take Y centimeters to fall? Paano yun? Sabi niya, yung X daw is the rain. The rate of the rain. Fall of rain. Rainfall. Rate of rainfall. Ito, height to, Y centimeters. How long would it take? So, para makuha mo yung rate, rainfall, so the amount of rainfall, yung height, di ba ang gauge niyan, yung height? Okay? Yung height, which is Y, di ba? Y. So, in centimeters yun. And then, the time. Parang distance over time, no? Rate. Nakuha. Distance to height eh. So, ito ay hindi pa na sabi hours. Gagawin nating hours. Hours. Ngayon, sabi niya, ito ay X. So, kukunin natin yung time. How long? So, ang time, since this is X already, it's actually equal to Y. Okay? So, expressed in centimeters. And yung rate natin, which is X, in terms of centimeters per minute daw. No? Nakuha. Centimeters per minute. Yun. Okay? So, yung time natin, kakancelin to, naka-minute yan. Y over X minutes. Pero, ang tinatanong, hours. So, what should we do? For every 1 hour, that should be 60 minutes. Right? So, therefore, the time in hours required is Y over 60x hours. Tama? Tama ba? Okay? Sundan? Kung nasundan yung ating solution, paki-type nga sa sa comment. Uwu. Uwu. Yun, nag-uwu na nga. Uwu. Uwu. Wow. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Much appreciated your effort. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, ito, napakadali nito. A square of a number is increased by 16. It's the same as 8 times the number. What is the number? So, if we let x being the number, basic algebra. So, the square of the number is x squared. Ayun, the square of the number. Increased daw by 16. Is, when you say is, okay, is the same pa at the same time. equal yun. As 8 times the number. O, tama? Tama ba yung syntax natin? Okay? We have now x squared. Lipat natin yung 8x. So, negative 8x plus 16. So, this is a perfect square, right? Perfect square trinomial yan. So, factors niyan, x minus 4 times x minus 4. So, since real and equal siya, therefore, x is equal to 4. Kasi x is equal to 4 din dito. Okay? Sir, sana ganyan lang yung quiz. Ay, sorry. Alam nyo, kilala nyo ako kung magpa-quiz. Dinosaur. Hindi, charot. Okay? Si Brandon kasi. Ay, wala eh. Sa akin, pasasalihin natin sana si Brandon sa Miss PLB. Kaso wala daw Mr. and Miss. Paligtas si Irvin tsaka si si Brandon. Pero hindi pa rin natin sure kasi baka bugso lang ng damdamin ni Madam yun. 28th year yun, dapat bongga eh. No? Year yun eh. Tapos wala lang, webinar. Gusto nyo yun? Webinar lang ang foundation. Saya. Okay, next. Actually, this is ganito yan, square root of. Yeah, and so on. Solve for x if x equal to the square root of. I'm not pretty sure if na-solve natin to sa sa algebra natin ng MFE nyo 10 years ago. 10 years ago. Parang kailan lang yun, eh, no? 10 years ago. We have to solve for x. I-rewrite lang natin, ha. Ito yung given. Eh, non-terminating siya, paulit-ulit, eh, no? Paano natin masosolve yung x dyan? Di ba? Ano? So, kailangan natin mag-isip ng mga patterns in life, di ba? Halimbawa, nagsisinungaling ka, mag-iisip ka ng paraan kung paano makaligtas. So, sa math, ganun din. Ako, Bridget, late ka na. Okay. So, ang gawin natin, obvious, na gagawin natin is to square. Kasi makakuha man lang tayo ng isa na identity. Okay, so it becomes x squared is equal to 1 minus 1 minus square root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus and so on. So, tama? Eh, yun. Medyo may kaliway na gana. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito ay kapareho nito. Tama? Non-terminating din. So, that means this is also x. Right? Tama? So, you have now x squared is equal to 1 minus x. Then, transposing everything to the left side, x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Paki-calculator na nga to, ano yung mga values ng x. Dalawa yan kasi quadratic eh. What are the values? One negative 1? Hindi. Ano yung equivalent yan, Marisa? Ayun, yung si Senar, 0.618 tsaka negative 1.618. Pero kunin na lang natin yung real. Do dalawa yung roots niya. Pag kasi na-encounter to sa board exam eh, isa lang yung lumabas. Yung 0.618. Negative 1.618. So, kung ang problema diyan kung pag parehong lumabas. Kung parehong lumabas yung dalawang values. Okay? So, therefore, those are the answers. Okay? Actually, kung ano sana kung si Gino ay word passer na siya, pahawakin ko nito. Special topics. Kaso nagre-review siya. Yung review niyo, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang nakikipagsabayan sa mga mabibigat na school si Gino. Dun sa mock board exam nga ng dun sa review center niya, sa multivector, dun din ako nag-review. Siyang top 1 sa mock, sa board, sa pre-board. Pre-board ang tawag. Tapos sinalo niya mga UPLB, UST, diba? Pa talaga level. So malaki chance niya mag-top notcher. Si Gino. Pakalaki yung chance niya. Okay, so hopefully sa inyo din, kay batch nila Cabral, tsaka batch ninyo, meron tayong produce top notchers. Okay? No pressure. Basta just do your best. Okay, next, evaluate y. If y is equal to, rewrite lang natin. 4 times 5 raised to 2n plus 1 minus 10 raised to 5 times 5 raised to 2n minus 1 all over 2 times 5 raised to 2n. Ayan. So if you'll notice, ano napansin nyo? Sa mga power, may plus, may minus, tapos merong wala. So common sa kanila, ito, di ba? Yun. Common yan. Pwede natin siya ilabas, no? But first, i-break down muna natin. How do we represent, or how do we, what do you call that? Express 5 raised to 2n plus 1 into a breakdown, what do you call that? Term. So that should be 5 raised to 2n times 5. Tama? Tama ba? Kasi may power na 1 yan eh, di ba? Pag same terms, okay, ina-add yung power. Pero pag unlike sila, kino-combine lang yung mga variables. Minus 10 times, ganun din, gagawin natin 5 raised to 2n. But this time, this is times 5 raised to negative 1. Okay? All over. So yun na yun, 2 raised to 5 raised to 2n. 2 times 5 raised to 2. So ito ay multiply natin sa 4. So mag-iisyan 20 times 5 raised to 2n. On the other side, kung mapapansin nyo, magiging 1 over 5 to, no? 1 over 5. So 10 divided by 5, 2. 10 times 5 raised to 2n. All over 2 times 5 raised to 2n. Pwede cancel na lahat ng 5 raised to 2n. Naiwan natin, y is equal to 20 minus 2 all over 2. Would be 18 over 2. So we have 9. Okay? Yun lang. Items to eh. So, bilisan natin para matapos na maaga, no? Number 7. Find the value of x which satisfy the following expression. So, expression natin ay, rewrite lang natin, x minus 2 equal to square root of x plus 2. Pag tinype nyo sa calculator yan, parang walang lalabas. Or yung makukuha natin, hindi tama. Solve lang natin, pero actually, kung isa-substitute natin, hindi yata equal. So, gawin natin, square both sides, para makancel yung square root sa left side. So, we have x minus 2, that would be equal to, pag tawag dito, Pag in-expand natin to, magiging x kasi x, square root of x times square root of x, right? And plus, I guess, 4 square root of x. Alala nyo, multiply itong dalawa, then times 2. Then plus 4. Okay? So, cancel this. Then, pag tinranspose natin sa right side, left side to, magiging negative 2 minus 4 is equal to 4 square root of x. Negative 6 is equal to 4 square root of x. Tanggalin natin 4. Divide everything by 4. So, negative 3 over 2 excuse me, is equal to square root of x. Then if you square both sides para matanggal na yung square root, it goes to show that x would be equal to 9 over 2. Okay? Pero kung isa-substitute mo siya, hindi tatama. So, sinolve lang natin yung x. Pero hindi niya masasatisfy. Try nyo kung masasatisfy. Okay, let's proceed. What is the equation of roots are reciprocals of the roots of 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is very basic. Ang gagawin nyo lang, if a factor out, ito, kunin nyo yung roots, balik ta rin. And ibalik. Then, i-expand, and that's it. So if we factor out this is 2x here and then x here. So maganda, nandito yung negative 5, nandito yung positive 1. No? Tama? Para makuha natin yung negative 3 sa gitna. Kasi negative 5 minus 2, o sa plus 2 rather, is negative 3x. So ito na yung ating mga roots. So you have 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore 2x 5, therefore x equal to 5 halves. Tama? On the other side, x plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to negative 1. So, ang reciprocal nito, reciprocal is 2 pips. So, x equal to 2 pips. Ito, reciprocal nito, wala kang magagawa dyan, negative 1 pa rin. No? Okay? So, ibabalik natin. Sa parang ang tawag dyan, reverse factoring ang tawag dyan. So magiging 5x is equal to 2. And then the other one, x equal to negative 1. For 5x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Thus, we have now 5x squared. So 5x minus 2x, that would be positive 3x. And then negative 2 plus times 1 is negative. Diba? Dali lang. Let's proceed. Find the term involving y to the fifth in the expression 2x plus y raised to 10. Yung sir, involving y to the fifth. Yung term na y to the fifth. Paano ang atake natin ulit doon? Anong ulit yung formula ng R term? R term, that will be equal to n combination R minus 1 multiplied by A, which is the first term, raised to n minus R plus 1. Naalala nyo? Siyempre, hindi. Tagal na nun eh. No? R minus 1. Second term naman yung B. Okay. Is Since y to the fifth yan, i-equate natin yung r term. Instead na r term, y to the fifth. Okay. So our n is of course the power of the exponent or the exponent rather, power of the exponent. Exponent na nga siya, power pa. So 10. Combination, hindi natin alam yung r. No? Then the first term is 2x. Okay. 2x lang nakalagay. So, ano naman yan? 2x. Ano? Pwede yan. Sige. 2x. Tapos 10 minus r plus 1. And then your b, which is y, is r minus 1. So lahat ng walang kinalaman kay y, exit muna. Exit frame. So ito, tanggal sa equation. So maiiwan yung dalawa. Y to the fifth is equal to y raised to r minus 1. So same basis, ibababa na natin yung powers. Therefore, your r is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? 6. So since 6 term yon, substitute na natin. The 6th term is 10 combination 6 minus 1 and then multiplied by 2x raised to 10 minus 6 plus 1 and then times y 6 minus 1. So 10 combination 5 times 2x raised to 11 minus 6, 5. Right? And this is y to the, so yun, nakuha na natin y to the fifth. What is 10 combination 5? Pakitype nga, 10 combination 5. Okay. So 252. Then 2 to the fifth is 32, right? X to the fifth, y to the fifth. So paki-multiply 252 times 32. The 6th term 252 times 32. 8,064. Okay. 8,064 x to the fifth, y to the fifth. And this is our answer. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Find the fifth term of the expression x squared plus 1 over x raised to 10. So x squared plus 1 over x raised to 10. Okay. So we're going to solve that. So identify nyo. Fifth term is your r. R is 5, n is 10. The first term is x squared. And the second term is x raised to negative 1. 1 over x. Pwede nyo i-maintain yung 1 over x. Walang problema. So then solving the fifth term, it would be 10 combination 5 minus 1. Okay. And then multiplied by x squared raised to 10 minus 5 plus 1. And then times x raised to negative 1 raised to 5 minus 1. Right? Tama? So this is now 10 combination 4 x squared raised to 11 minus 5, that is 6. And this is x raised to negative 1 times 4. Raised to 4. Rather. What is 10 combination 4? 110. Okay. 210 x raised to 12 kasi power of powers, 6 times 2 lang yan. times x raised to negative 4. Therefore, same term, ang exponent ay ina-add. So, therefore, we have 210x raised to 12 minus 4. Di ba ang basic? So, the expression x plus 4y, check ko the next. X plus 4y is to 12. What is the numerical coefficient of the fifth term? I-find out natin. So, fifth term lang. And natin. Next term. Fifth term. So, fifth. 12 combination 5 minus 1 times x raised to 12 minus 5 plus 1. Then minus 5 plus 1. 4y raised to 5 minus 1. So, this is 12 combination 4. Okay, ito na lang kunin natin, no? Kasi ito yung maging coefficient, naka-multiply doon. Pero sige, solve na rin natin. X raised to 13 minus 5, 8. And this is 4y raised to 4. So what is 12 combination 4? 495. Okay, 495 multiplied by 4 raised to 4, that is 4, 16, 64, 256, no? Tama. X raised to 8, y raised to 4. So, ito lang kailangan natin eh. So, ilan yan? Coefficient of the fifth term. 495 times 256 is how much? So, 126,720. Pareho naman kayo sagutin. So, okay, so ito yung coefficient. Pakadali, no? Okay, what is the fourth term? Puro tinatad tayo ng mga art term, ah. Fourth term. Rekta na natin. X plus x squared. So, 100 combination 4 minus 1 times x raised to 100 minus 4 plus 1. And then, x squared 4 minus 1. So, 100 combination 3. This is now x raised to 101 minus 4, 97 times x squared raised to 3. What is 100 combination 3? So, solve lang muna natin to. X raised to 97 times x raised to 6. 161,700. So, the fourth term is 161,700 x raised to 100. Okay. What is the numerical coefficient of the term next to 495 x raised to 8 y raised to 4? Ito yung natatandaan ko. To find the numerical coefficient of the next term, so that is coefficient of x times exponent of x all over exponent of y plus 1. Okay? So, coefficient of x, pick nyo yun, kitang-kita. Exponent ni x, kitang-kita. Exponent ni y plus 4. So, that would be 495 multiplied by 8 all over 4 plus 1. 495 times 8 over 5. And how much is that? Four 95 times 8 divided by 5. So 790. Okay. Next. Find the sixth term of the expansion. 1/2 a. So 1 over 2a yan. Isipin yung 1 parang a over 2 eh. Minus 3 raised to 16. Do the same procedure. So 6th term equal to 16 combination 6 minus 1. And we have 1 over 2a raised to 16 minus 6 plus 1. Then negative 3 raised to 6 minus 1. So this is 16 combination 5 times 1 over 2a. So 17 minus 6, 11. No? Then this is negative 3 raised to 5. Okay. 16 combination 5 times negative 3 raised to 5. Nilabas ko na. Then this is 1 over 2a raised to 11. What is this 16 combination 5 multiplied by, ano ba yung 3 raised to 5? Negative 243, no ba? Tama ba? Negative 243. Tapos ito, 1 over, ano ba raised to 11? 2048. A raised to 11. So gawin nyo, multiply nyo to, then divide by 2048. What is now the sixth term? Kasi yung calculator dito eh. Naka-fraction yan ah. So, negative 66,339 over 128 a raised to 11. Negative 66,339 over 128 a raised to 11. And this is your answer. Okay? So, nangangalahati na tayo. Thank you, Lord. Any question so far? So far, so good. Okay, let's proceed. Next, what is the coefficient of the free of the term of x in the expansion 2x minus 5y raised to 4? So when you say free of x, y. Diba? Yung y. Ano sa tingin nyo yung may free of x dyan? Yung dulong term, no? Tama? So hindi na natin kailangan ng brain calisthenics dito na mag-isip ng mag-isip. Ito lang yun eh. Yung unang limang terms kasi kapag nag-expand kayo ng binomial expansion, kung yan ay to the fourth, lagi plus 1. So ibig sabihin 5. Yung pang fifth term niyan ay ito, negative 5y raised to 4. Tama? So yan ay 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 625. Therefore, the answer is 600. Tama? Kasi hindi na ako magbabother na expand pa yan. Kasi sigurado ako yung dulong term. Yun yung may y lang, 3 of x. Tama, no? Diba? Tama? At nga, baka mali yung assumption ko. Baka may lumabas pa na 3 of x dyan. Maliban dun sa dulo. I guess wala namang nagre-reklamo. So let's assume that this is correct. Tapos like charger mga makina. What is the sum of the coefficients? The expansion. O, ano na lang to? Mental lang natin to. What is the sum of the coefficients of the expansion? Like 2x minus 1 raised to 20. So, guys, are you still there? Nakalimutan na ang formula ng sum of coefficients. Nakalimutan na. Solve natin ha. Solve for the sum of the coefficients. For example, you have an expression k sub x plus k sub y raised to n. K sub x is the coefficient of the variable x. K sub y is the coefficient of the variable y. Okay, so all you need to do is to add them, k sub x plus k sub y raised to n. And presto, you have your sum of the coefficients. So, tanong, anong sagot dun? 2x minus y raised to 8. So, the answer is, okay, because 0. Bakit sa 0? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung second term, walang y. Pag walang variable. Pag walang variable, usually yung ginagawa, k sub x plus k, for example, ito. K sub x plus k sub y. Ayan. O ganun pa rin, k sub x plus k sub y. Pero yung walang variable, i-erase nyo sa n, nakasubtract kay k sub x plus k sub y. So, apply natin. We have 2 plus negative 1 raised to 20 minus negative 1 raised to 20. So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala siyang y. Right? 1 raised to 20 minus 1 raised to 20 is 0. Okay? Next. Find the value of x in, i-write lang natin ha. So, this is very basic sa inyo. Plus 2x over 4 equal to 47 minus 2. Yan lang, hinanap yung x. So, simplify lang muna natin to. X plus 1 over 3 plus x over 2, that would be equal to 47 minus 2. So, kung na LCD, ano sa tingin nyo LCD? 6 na. 6, right? 3 times 2. So, 6 divided by this is 2 times that. 2 times x plus 1. Plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 times x. We have 3x. And then 47 times 6, ilan yun? 282. Minus 12x. Okay? We have 2x plus 2 plus 3x equal to 282 minus 12x. So, switch positions. Ito, lipat sa kabila sa 12, negative 12, lipat sa kabila. So, 5x plus 12x, that would be equal to 282 minus 2. Therefore, 17x is equal to 280. X would be equal to 280 over 7. Okay? Let's proceed. Find the value of x in the equations. So, i-write lang natin ha. 10 times a over x plus a over y equal to a. 3 times a over x minus 4a over y equal to a. Fixing a yan. No? Nagaling na kaya natin a. Lahat sila divisible by 8. No? Tama. Gawin natin 10 times 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 1. Tama. On the other side, 3 times 1 over x minus 4 over y equal to 1. So, gagawin ko, ano lang, cross multiply lang yung 10 tsaka yung 3. So, magiging siyang 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 10. Do you agree? Tama lang yan. And we have 1 over x minus 4 over y, that would be equal to 1 third. Ang pinakamabilis na way para makakuha ng value is to subtract. Kasi makakancel nyo kagad yung 1 over x. Now, magiging positive to, magiging 5 over y. Tama. Magiging negative. Ito magne-negative. So, 1 over 10 minus 1 third. So, LCD is 30. 30 divided by 10 is 3 times 1, so you have 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10 times 1, so you have 10. So we have negative 7 over 30. Kung babalik rin natin to, y over 5 equal to negative 30 over 7. So your y is actually equal to negative 150 over 7. Eh kaso x pa lang hinahanap. Dapat pala. So, i-substitute natin dito. Ito ko sa substitute ha. So 1 over x plus 1 over negative 150 over 7, that would be equal to 1 over 10. 1 over x minus 7 over 150 equal to 1 over 10. So transpose sa kabila, 1 over x is equal to 1 tenths plus 7 over 1. Okay? 1 over x equal to, LCD niyan, obviously is 150. So 150 divided by 10 is 15 times 1, so we got 15. Plus 150 divided by 150 is 1 times 7, so we have 7. So we have 1 over x is equal to 22 over 150. Balik na rin natin. X now being meow. Ako lalagay. Ito. X equal to 150 over 22. Pag divide both by 2 is 75 over 11. Tama? May bugo na ito. Sorry. Okay? So 75 over 11. Next. Solve for simple naman ito. So solve for the value of x and y. Correct na natin. Multiply natin to by 3 at ito by 2. So you got 12x here plus 6x equal to y, sorry. 18. Then here we have 26x minus 6y equal to 4. Pag inad natin, ganun, 12x, 6x, 18, 26x, negative 6y. So 38x equal to 22. Therefore, x would be equal to 22 over 38 or 11 over 19. Okay, and then substitute. Ito na lang sa equation na to. So 4 times 11 over 19 plus 2y is equal to 6. 44 over 19 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y would be equal to 6 minus 44 over 19. So 2y now would be equal to 9 times 16. 6 times 19 pala, so that would be 140. 114 minus 44 all over 19. Then we have now 70 over 38. Now multiply by 2. No, you must multiply. 114 minus 44, 70. That should be 35 over your x is 11/19. Paki-check nga sa calculator kung tama. Check sa calculator. Check na. Kasi mali. Proceed, no? Sampu lang, eh. Solve for the possible values of x and y. Okay. So 2x squared minus 3y squared is equal to 6. 3x squared plus 2y squared equal to 35. So ito ang negative, no? Gawin natin, multiply na lang by 2 to, and ito by 3. Para makikita nyo, makakancel natin yung y squared. So 4x squared minus 6y squared, that would be equal to 12. And we have 9x squared plus 6y squared rather equal to 35 times 3, 105. Diba? Okay, so answer this. We have 13x squared, that would be equal to 117. If you divide everything by 13, ilan kaya yan? 9? Ano? X squared would be equal to 9. Therefore, x would be equal to positive, negative. Okay, kasi nag-extract tayo ng square root. Pwedeng positive, pwedeng negative. Pero pag isa-substitute natin, since naka-square naman siya, kahit yung positive na lang, no? Okay, so substitute natin dito. Lagi naman na yung equation 1, equation 2 naman. So 3 times 3 squared plus 2 times y squared equal to 35. So naging 3 cubed, 27, no? Plus 2y squared, that would be equal to 35. 2y squared equal to 35 minus 27 plus 2y squared is equal to 8. Dividing both sides by 2, y squared would be equal to 4 plus y would be equal to positive, negative. So ayan po yung mga sagot. Positive, negative 3 and positive, negative 3 for y. For x, positive, negative 3. For y, positive, negative 3. Okay, last. Now simplify x squared. Write lang natin na x squared y cubed z raised to negative 2, then everything is raised to negative 3 times x raised to negative 3 y z cubed, then everything is raised to negative 1 half all over x y z. Yung z ang raised to negative 3, then everything raised to negative 5. Kung ako tatanungin, iakit ko na to. Tapos yung dalawa, baba. Kasi mga negative yung powers na. Okay. So, magiging siyang x, y, z raised to negative 3 raised to 5 halves all over x squared y cubed z raised to negative 2 and then raised to 3 na. Tapos yung isa, x raised to negative 3 y z cubed raised to 1. Okay? And then we distribute. So x raised to 5 halves, y raised to 5 halves, z z raised to negative 15 over 2. Multiply lang directly. No? Okay. Then we have x raised to 6. Y cube to na. Y raised to 9. Z raised to negative 6. Tapos, times x raised to negative 3 halves, y raised to 1 half, z raised to 3 halves. Okay. So, bago natin, kung may mapagpapalit man, simplify muna natin denominator. So, i-rewrite ko lang siya, x raised to 5 halves, y raised to 5 halves, z raised to negative 15 over 2. So, x raised to 6 times x raised to negative 3 halves. That would be 2 times 6, 12 minus 3. So, x raised to 9 halves. Tama? X raised to 9 halves. Tapos ito, 2 times 9, 18 minus 1. Plus 1, 19 over 2. 19 over 2. Right? Tapos yung z, negative 6 plus 3 halves. So, 2 times negative 6, negative 12 plus 3. So, you got negative 9. Okay? Now, tayo dito. So, sa x, x raised to 5 halves minus 9 halves na. Kay y raised to 5 halves minus 19 halves. Kay z raised to negative 15 over 2 minus negative 9 halves. Tama? So, 5 halves minus 9 halves is x raised to negative 4 halves. Then y raised to negative 14 over 2, no? And ito, z is 15 to 15 plus 9, negative 6 over 2. Right? So, simplify natin. We have now, dito na, takbo ko dito. X raised to negative 2, y raised to negative 7, z raised to negative 3. Therefore, your final answer should be 1 over x squared, y to the 7, and law of powers of exponents, no? Of exponents. Okay? Let's proceed. Solve for x. So, ito siya eh. 27 raised to x is equal to 9 raised to x. Tapos yung nasa ibaba, 81 raised to y times 3 raised to negative x. That would be 240. So, ang aim natin dyan, kahit paano, mapag-combine. Okay? Ay, hindi. Feeling ko y ito. No, y ito. Or itong y. Subukan natin ah. Itong y. Okay, so kung y yan, ito ay x. Express natin yung exponential. So 3 raised to 3y ito, no? Equal 3 raised to 2x. Tama? So it means to say 3y is equal to 2x. Therefore, x would be equal to 3 over 2. Substitute natin later dito. So express din natin yung exponential. So 3 raised to 4y times 3 raised to negative x. That would be equal to, pwede natin express into exponents to, no? 3 raised to 5. Diba? So, since pare-pareho na sila ng bases, so we have 4y minus x equal to 5. Eh, substitute natin sa x. 4y minus 3 over 2y, that would be equal to 4y minus, 3 halves y is 8 minus 3, 5 over 2y, right? Equal to 5. Cancelin lang. Therefore, 1 of y is equal to 1, y would be equal to, ang hinahanap, x eh. So, substitute lang natin dito. X would be equal to 3 over 2 times 2. So, for our x would be, okay, what is the lowest common factor of 10 and 32? Lowest common factor? Diba? Tama no, 1. Lowest common factor nila. So, 1. Hindi na kailangan yan eh. Pero paano kung hindi consider ng 1? 2. No. Diba? Okay. Next, the arithmetic mean of 80 numbers is 55. If two numbers, namely 250 and 850 are removed, what is the arithmetic mean of the remaining numbers? So ito yung arithmetic mean, no? That would be yung total number nila. Okay? Let's say yun ay x. In total. Over 55. Tama, no? Ay, 80, sorry. 80. So, substitute natin 55. Therefore, in total mo, x would be the product of the arithmetic mean and the total number of items. So 55 times 80, is it 4400? I check nga, 4,400. Okay, tama. 400. Now, anong gagawin natin? Para makuha yung bagong arithmetic mean, okay, the new arithmetic mean num is yung total x, i-minus daw natin yung dalawang items, 250 and then 850 over, ilan na lang? 78 na lang. No? Tama? 78 na lang. Kasi sinubtract natin yung dalawa eh. So, yung new arithmetic mean natin would be 44 minus 11. Tama? 11 over 78. So, the new arithmetic mean is 3,300 divided by 78. How much is that? Ilan yan? 42.31. 42.31. Last 5. The arithmetic mean of 6 numbers is 17. If two are sorry, if two numbers are added to the progression, the new set of numbers will have an arithmetic mean of 19. What are the numbers if their difference is 4? So let's say yung x is the smaller number. Yung smaller siya, ang difference nila is 4. Yung bigger is x plus 4. Tama? Okay. So sabi, arithmetic din daw of the 6 numbers. So let's say yung total over 6. That would be 17. Ito yung 17. No? So total natin is 17 times 6. I guess that would be 102. Right? Now, what is the, sabi niya, yung new arithmetic mean given, 19. So, ang new arithmetic mean natin, that would be equal to 102 plus yung dalawang items, x, tsaka x plus 4. All over what? Sa tingin nyo, ilan? Diba 8 na? Kasi nadagdagan eh. Dagdagan ng dalawa. No? 2 numbers, so yung malinaw, 2 numbers. So, you have 19 is equal to 106 plus 2x. 102 plus 4 over 8. So 19 times 8, that would be 152, I guess. Right? 152 ba? Equal to 106 plus, so 2x na 152 minus 106 is 46. Right? Therefore, x would be equal to 20. Sabihin, yung smaller natin, 23, 23, and yung bigger number natin is 27. Okay, next. The expression x to the fourth plus 8x cubed plus 5x squared plus bx plus 6 when divided by x minus 2 leaves a remainder of 16. And when divided by x plus 1 leaves a remainder of 10. Question, find the values of a and b. So ito, ang idea nito is yung factor and remainder theorem. Diba? Pag sinabi yung factor theorem, a binomial is a factor of a polynomial function if the remainder is 0. Otherwise, hindi siya factor pag hindi 0. Okay? So in that case, all you need to do is to equate them sa remainder. Okay? Tapos, substitute yung value. So, x is equal to 2 yung sa una. So, naka-equate silang lahat sa 16. So, you have 2 to the 4th plus a times 2 cubed plus 5 times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus 6. So, that should be 2 to the 4th is 16. Okay, cancelin na natin yan kasi parang 16. 8a. Tapos, ito ay 20. Tapos, plus 2b plus 6. So, So 8a plus 2b plus 26 is equal to 0. So 8a plus 2b equal to negative 23. Divide natin both sides by 2. 6 pala, sorry. So, thus, it becomes 4a plus b equal to negative 14. So this should be equation 1. So puproduce tayo ng equation 2 out of this. Same function but different remainder. So when x is equal to negative 1, that leaves the remainder equal to negative 1 to the 4th plus a times negative 1 cubed plus 5 times negative 1 squared plus b times negative 1 plus 6. So 10 is equal to 1, negative 1 to the 4th. And this is negative a, no? Kasi mag-negative 1 eh. Add yung power eh. Tapos positive plus 5. And then this is minus b plus 6. So 11 plus 1, 12. Lipat sa kabila. 10 minus 12 is equal to negative a minus b. Negative 2 is equal to negative a minus b. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 2. So you have equation 2. So add lang natin. A plus b. Hindi pala. Mag-iyan. I-subtract. Pag sinubtract natin, we have now 3a. Cancel yung b. So negative 13 minus 2 is negative 15. Therefore, a would be equal to negative 5. Meron na tayo a. So, substitute na lang natin dito yung a sa a plus b. So, a plus b is equal to 2. Negative 5 plus b is equal to 2. Okay, therefore, b is equal to, nilipat sa kabila sa negative 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, determine sum of the positive valued solution to the simultaneous equations. Xy is equal to 15, yz is equal to 35, and xz is equal to 20. So, ito gawin natin. Divide. Okay, divide muna natin equation 1 and 2 para may makancel tayo. So, xy, unahin natin yung mas malaki. Para hindi nakakalito. Yz equal to 35 over xy equal to 15. So, di ba makakancel yung y? Thus, you have z over x is equal to, what is this? 7 over 5 divided by 5, 7 over 3, no? So z now would be equal to 7x over 2. Okay? Now, may z tayo dito eh. Dito, kung saan ba tayo makakapag-produce ng z. I-divide natin yung dalawa. No? Para may z ulit tayo. Masasubstitute na natin ito. No? Okay. So, natin ito. Xz is equal to 21. Xy is equal to 15. Okay, so cancel yung x. So z over y, that would be equal to 21 over 15. That would be 7 over 5. Therefore, z is equal to 7y over 5. Sige, tignan natin kung mapapalabas natin. Since they are the same, equate na lang natin kung dalawa. Equate the equations 1 and 2. Or 3 and 4. Sorry. 3 and 4. Actually, 5 and 6. 4 and 5. Sorry. Equate 4 and 5. So, pareho silang c. So, 7x over 3 equal to 7y over 5. Na-cancel yung 7. Therefore, x would be equal to 3y over 5. Right? 3y over 5 na. So, lahat ng mga may x, i-substitute na natin yan para maganda dito kasi may y ito eh. Okay. So, if we substitute equation 1, so 3y over 5 times y, that would be equal to 15. Cancel to. 5 lang. Or, dito pa. Y squared is equal to 5 times 5, that would be 25. Therefore, y would be equal to positive, negative, or positive pala, sorry. Okay? Now, after getting y, substitute mo yan doon. Ano ko yung x. So, x times 5 equal to 15. Therefore, x equal to 15 over 5 is 3. So, may y na, may x na lang. X na lang, z na lang. Substitute na lang natin dito. Okay, so 3 times z is equal to 21. Therefore, z is equal to 7. Okay, so we have already our positive. Ay, hindi po pala yung final answer, no? X, Y, Z. Pinahanap pa yung sum. So you just simply add x plus y plus z. That will be 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 15. Okay? Okay, if P minus Q is equal to 5 and PQ is K over 2, find P squared plus Q squared. Ganito lang yan. Expand lang natin. Kasi kailangan natin ng P squared plus Q squared. Eh. Square natin both sides. So, it should be 5 squared. Ito yan, in-square natin. So, P squared minus 2PQ plus Q squared. Ayun, may na-produce na tayong P squared plus Q squared. That is 25. So, i-isolate na natin. P squared plus Q squared, that would be equal to 25 plus 2PQ. Okay? Eh, sabi niya yung PQ is K over 2. So, P squared plus K squared, that would be equal to 20 plus 2 times K over 2. Okay, cancel this. So finally, we have P squared plus Q squared, that would be equal to 20 plus. Okay. Last problem. Expand. 2x cubed minus 5y squared raised to 6. So, huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-Pascal's triangle tayo. 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Tapos 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So, ito yung susunod. 1, 6 kasi raised to 6. 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. So, itong gagamitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Raised to 0 to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. The first coefficient ay 1. So, we have 2x cubed. So, pinakamataas na power, 6. S, since minus to, so i-alternate lang natin. Minus 2x cubed raised to, mababawasan yung power ni 6. Maging 5, lalabas si second term. Okay? Then, alternate na. So, we have 2x cubed raised to 4. Then, 5y squared squared. Ay, may nakalimutan ako. Yung mga coefficients. So, 6. And then, this is 15. Okay, tapos, positive, negative naman. 20. 2x cubed, cube. Then 5y squared, cube. Okay, nasusundan nyo, natatandaan yung Pascal's triangle. So, plus x, 15, 2x cubed, mabawasan ulit ng power, square na lang. 5y squared raised to 4. Okay, and then minus 6, 2x cubed, then 5y squared raised to the 5th power. Then lastly, coefficient ay 1, the 5y squared raised to 6. Then we simplify. 2 to the 6, di ba 64 yun? Tama ba? Ito lagay. So 64. X to the 18. 3 to the 6. Tapos 2 to the 5th, pakicompute 2 to the 5th, 32. Times 5, 32 times 5 is 160. Times 6, is it 960? I'll check na kung tama yung pinag-compute ko. Is it 960? X to the 15, y squared. Tama lang ba? Sorry, may mental kalis. May mental ako eh. I-call nyo attention ko pag mali ah. Ay, hindi ko na kaya ito. Kaya ng mental. Plus 15 times 16, ano 15 times? 240. Kasi 15 times 8, 120. So 240 times 25. 40 times 5 is 1,400 times 5, 7,000. Tama ba? 7,000. Tinry ko lang i-mental ha. Ito na yung sinasagutan natin yung pangatlo. I-check nga yung kung tama yung 7,000. 15 times 16 2 to the 4. 15 times 8 kasi is 120 times 2. 240 times 25. 240 times 5 ay 1,400, no? Ay, hindi. Hindi pala, 1,2 lang. Times 5, 6,000. Sobra ako ng ano. So, x to the 12, y to the 4. Pa-check kung tama. $6,000. Thank you so much. Next tayo. Minus. So, minus 20 times 8 is 160 times 125. Hindi ko na kaya. 160 times 20, 125. Ilan mo? $20,000. Okay. 20,000. Ano yun? X to the 9, y to the 6. Okay, next, positive. 15 times 4, 60. 60 times 5 to the 4th, which is 625. Diba 625 yan? So 60 times 625. Yun. 60 times 625. Kaya ng mental. 37,500. X cube, y to the 10. Tama? Ay, saan ba ako? Wala, sorry. Kagad yun. X to the 6, y to the 8. Next, minus. 6 times 2, 12. Times, ano ba yung 5 to the 5? Ano na, 5 to the 5. Pakisolve na lang. Ilan yan? 37,500 yan. 37,500. Okay, tapos lastly, 5 to the 6. Up, yung mga exponents pala, x cubed, y to the 10. And lastly, 5, 25, 125, 625, 21,000 Chenilin. Ano yung 5 to the 6? 15,600. That would be y to the, and lo and behold, we have our expanded x cubed minus 5y squared by 6x. Okay, save ko lang siya. Tapos din. Ayun, sesend ko sa GC. Sana may nakapag-record, pero kung wala, okay lang. Meeting ko lang sa forward. Sa Lunes. Before we end our session, alam ko lang kung nag-appear na kayo sa PLB World. Okay, so sent. MFP pa lang. Ayun, kita ko na. Porto na. Patag na kayo na. Okay, so check tayo attendance ha. Once I call your names, just stay present. Start with Ambelon,
Present po, sir.
Antonio, sa labas siya. Pakay,
Present po, sir.
Balukan,
Present po, sir.
wala talaga si ano. Antonio, Bautista,
Present po, sir.
Bondo,
Present po, sir.
Cabral, Canizares, Dailisan, Present Antonio, Dailisan, wala. Beato,
Present, sir.
Del Rosario,
Present po, sir.
Encarnacion,
Present po.
Ferrer,
Present po.
Galapon, Gayon,
Present po.
Guillermo,
Present po.
Giwa,
Present po, sir.
Cuera. Ay, absent na naman. Hindi ako tumitingin sa chat eh. Absent si Brandon, kawawa naman. Blessing,
Present po.
Lopez,
Present, sir.
Maningan,
Present.
Marfil,
Present po.
Nicolas,
Present po, sir.
Masinar,
Present po.
Omega, Marisa wala rin. Pagaduan. Pagaduan wala rin. Ayun. Hindi pala sila. Sorry na. Palakay.
Present po.
Perocho. Wala. Regala. Sagot na sagot. Ano nandiyan yan. Roldan. Roldan. Yun. Samia.
Present po.
Siringan. Trinidad.
Present po, sir.
And last but not the least, Villa.
Present po, sir. Low.
Okay, so
Present.
wala naman.
Present.
Yes. Okay. So, lahat naman pumasok. Tingin ko. Is the first day, walang absent. Pero may late. Okay, so, that ends our session for today. So, let's meet next week, Wednesday, for the continuation of Algebra Part 2, yung mga word problems na. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And this session is now dismissed.